We've got screw holes just sanding back to their metal. So anywhere with a bare metal like this. Hey, you alright? Yeah. Right, John.
All right, mate.
Come and have a look. See what we're up to.
What we do in our van preparation, as you can hear the tools in the background.
This is a Ford Transit 2016. It's a 2.2 model, so it's not the wet valve.
So what we do, so as a van prep service, the level of detail that we go to is 795 is our basic package with all the panels, and then we make good. So like any of these rust patches or whatnot, we sand back, we spray paint them. I mean, this van is in absolutely immaculate condition, to be honest with you. It's absolutely beautiful. But this is where the van starts. We remove the seats, we clean underneath the cab, we check for any rust or anything under the cab, making sure that everything's sound really. We, on the floor, if there's any rust patches, we sand that back to bare metal, and we then spray a rust converter. So we spray a rust converter first, the best on the market, which is Lanolin, it's over there. And then we spray a primer, and then we paint over it with Hammerite white paint. So we're making sure that rust isn't coming back. Every van, unless it's a brand spanking new van, will have rust in it somewhere. So you can see here we've got screw holes where they've screwed the panels to the wall, and we've got a little bit of rust showing here. We're just sanding back to their metal. Got a bit of rust here. Again, we just need to sand that back a bit more to the bare metal. So anywhere with a bare metal like this needs to be sanded back and primed and painted. So that's the level of detail that we're going to with our own vans. But obviously we're giving the customers a choice, because it's only 9.5. The amount of prep work that's gone into the van, sometimes we're taking a bit of a risk because we don't know how bad it is going to be underneath. If there's any welding that needs to be done, that would be on top of that service. How does that sound, John?
That sounds fantastic.